Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update, and now let's tap on the second option, languages and input. Now let's enter languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously added and applied languages. So we've got only English. Let's tap on add a language simply. And here we've been transferred to the full list of the languages which are available, which we can set. So basically just find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. And I will pick, for example, I don't know, maybe this one, just tap on it. And here you can pick the region. Sometimes, of course, it depends on the language. So let me pick Denmark. And the Danish has been immediately applied to this list. But the English is still a main one. So in order to actually change the language, we have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from this moment, this option is applied and the new language is applied to the whole menu. So let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the first position. And here we've got the English. So basically the rule for it is that which language is on the first position, then it will be applied. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon, tap on remove, and here we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.